Hello, my technical friends. This is TestOut Linus Pro, and this is Lab 8.6.3, and we are going to mount a volume. So you recently installed and formatted a new hard drive in your system. Its device file name is /dev/sdb1. Now you want to mount the volume. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to create the /mnt/disk directory, mount the /dev/sdb1 to the /mnt/disk directory with the extension 35 system. Use the mount command to verify that the volume is mounted successfully. Alright, that is all we need to do in this lab. Let's go ahead and start lab. Alright, so we'll wait for this lab to load. Meanwhile, if you need further detailed video analysis on how to solve any of the lab, you might want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed access into one-on-one video guidance on how to solve any of the lab at all. So let's just wait for this lab to load. Alright, the lab is loaded. We'll go ahead and open terminal. And then the terminal is open, so we type in mkdir space /mnt and let's see /disk. Press enter, and then you type in mount space dash T space extension 3 space /dev/sdb1 and space /mnt/disk, and you press enter, type in mount, press enter. Alright, so that is all. We'll go ahead and score lab. Remember, if you find these videos to be helpful to you, consider sharing in other platforms like Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Consider joining my professional membership also, where you get detailed video guidance on how to solve any of the TestOut lab. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.